it's Marissa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look right here, very holiday-esque vibes. I don't know. I wanted to go for like a simple holiday glam, and you're probably like, that's not simple, but it really is simple, except for the cut crease. So maybe it's not simple, but it's definitely just a good holiday glam look. I did use, where is it? Okay, here it is. I did use the new Milani Pure Passions palette. I can't speak today. And it just looks like this. It has a lot of berry shades in it, very shimmery berry shades. So I figured this would be really good for the holidays, and it is drugstore. So I hope you guys really enjoy, and let's just get right on into this tutorial. So I have this little Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Primer. I really wanted to test this out. I've heard really good things. So I'm just gonna like, I don't even know like how much to put, but I'm just gonna put it in like my T-zone. Feels really nice on the skin. I'm gonna go in with my Pride and Joy Fenty primer because I literally don't use like anything else anymore. Not just for like the rest of my face, but also put it on top of that primer. I'm going to take my E27 brush from Morphe, and what do I want to do? I'm going to take Totally Fond of You right here and just put that into my crease. There is a ton of kickback like in this palette, so be aware of that, and definitely get the excess off because it's very powdery, and I kind of just like blow it. I do not want to get on my, I just got new Lulu leggings, and I think I just got them dirty, so that's good. I'm going to take an M513 brush, and I keep having to like blow it, and then it gets all over my makeup. Okay. Ooh, that kind of has like a shimmer in it. I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna take this shade right here, and that's called Heart Is On. And I'm gonna apply this one. Oh, this one's super powdery. To the like outer corner parts. Okay, I have glitter on my face and I don't know why. That's a kind of like an iridescent-y pink, and I'm like, if about it. So I'm actually gonna go in with this berry shade right here, and that's called Desert Getaway. And I'm gonna use some spray. I'm going to just apply that, and I'm actually gonna mix it with the next one, like the one next to it as well, because it's a little bit lighter. I'm gonna mix those together, and I'm just gonna apply it on top. Morphe, that is not the brush I want. No, where is it? Where is my brush? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna take the Morphe M13 again. I'm gonna go in with this dark shade right here at the bottom. This is Heat Is, no, just kidding. This is a Late Date. So I went ahead and applied some eyeliner, and I really like this eyeliner. This is the Milani Stay Put Matte 17-Hour Wear Liquid Liner, and it's just a felt tip, and I hardly ever do liner. Like, I don't know when the last time I ever did liner on my channel was, or if I even did liner. I'm just not good at it. I did like a baby wing. They're not even even. It's fine, you know, we'll live with it. Once there's mascara and stuff, we'll be good. But I'm gonna move on to face, and I'm gonna reapply some primer because I was like wiping my eyes, like around my eyes. And so I probably like wiped some off. So I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I love this foundation so much. It's amazing. And I never liked it, so I got it a while ago and I didn't like it, and this was like a few years ago. And then I gave it to my sister and then I took it back. This was like a year and a half ago, and I recently started loving it again. It's nice and dewy, and I don't know, I just love it. So I don't know why I didn't like it before. I was just being weird, I guess. And we're looking snatched-a-roo. I'm gonna take some concealer. This is in light. I had to go down a shade because I'm not tan anymore. And this is kind of like the color of my skin, which is kind of nice. I kind of do it to highlight, but like not really. Actually, now going to apply some liquid highlight. And I kind of look ghostly right now, but don't worry. Bronzer will up. I'm going to take some Marc Jacobs Do You drops. I love these. Like, I love them so much. And I'm going to apply... Okay, that was a lot. I'm going to apply a little bit on my beauty blender here. And apply that. To places where I want to highlight. So my cheekbones and my nose. And I'm just gonna blend that in. I'm going to now take some setting powder. You guys already know, Laura Mercier. I love this little size. Since I don't do my makeup all that often, I decided to get it again because I love this powder, but I just got like a little one, and there's so much in this little one for such a good price. And we're gonna set that under eye. Make sure not to set the concealer, or don't set the highlight. I couldn't think of the name. Set the chin a little bit and a little bit on the forehead, but not a lot. And then what I'm gonna do, which I never do but I started doing, is kind of place powder like where I would kind of contour. I'm going to bronze up the skin and then contour. So I'm going to take my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, and let me take a new, different type of brush here. to bronze the skin up, and then I'm going to take my NARS Laguna bronzer, and I'm just going to contour a bit. Wipe away that powder. Sisters. We'll finish the eyes later. Oh my god, my makeup's all dirty from that palette. I'm gonna take Lorac Aurora blush here, and I've been loving it with a stippling brush. Just apply some makeup setting spray. We're gonna finish the face, move back to the eyes and eyebrows. So, I'm gonna actually wet this fan brush just a bit, and I'm gonna go in with some champagne pop. Right, is it champagne pop? Yeah. And apply some. Woohoo! Yes, queen. Not gonna do much on the lower lash line. I'm just going, what do I even want to do? I don't know. I think I'm just gonna take this brown shade right here, and that's called Spice It Up. And smoke that out all the way. I went ahead and did my brows, my mascara. Now we're on to the lips. So, yeah, it's dirty. I don't know. So, I don't know what I want to do yet. I think I'm going to go with like a light nude. I like that. Ooh, I know. Actually, I don't know if I like that. I'm gonna apply some gloss on top. If not, I'm just gonna do gloss. But I picked up the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the Universal Lip. I'm gonna apply that on top and see if I like that. No, okay. Okay, let's try this again. I think I'm just gonna apply this gloss. Let's see if I like that. This smells like a lip smacker, and I love it. Ooh. I think I like this. Makes your lips so plump. So that completes this holiday vibe tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed. I love all the new products that I tried out. I love the Tatcha So Canvas. Really can see like a difference in this area right here. I do have some like texture going on here, which I probably shouldn't have highlighted, but that's fine. And I love, love, love this gloss. It is amazing. I'm gonna buy more because why not? And I don't know, it smells like a lip smacker. I love this. So good. This is $18. It's a bit pricey, but for high-end makeup, that's pretty affordable. I haven't done a makeup look in so long, so I figured this was the perfect time because holidays are coming, Hanukkah, Christmas, New Year's Eve. So I feel like this palette is really good for that. You have a lot of nice shimmery shades that are really nice and pigmented. I obviously wet my brush, but they're really good and they perform really well. So yeah. Whoa. I hope you guys really enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Don't worry, more will be coming and maybe I'll do a cool tone look. I feel like I always say, oh, I'm going for like a pinky cool tone look, and then I end up with orange browns and cranberries. It's just my vibe, I'm sorry. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. I hope you guys all had a great Thanksgiving if you celebrate Thanksgiving. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!